Yo, what up, YouTube? Coming through you live from the power of the internet. Check it out. So we went to Kroger's, went to Randall's. Ingredients for Life. Visit Randall's.com. So we got some sandwich meat in here. It probably needs to be refrigerated because it's been sitting in the car for quite some time. I got some bread over here. Bread. We got some other stuff over here. Unhealthy stuff all around. Unhealthy stuff all around. And some cheese. Cheese in this. Yeah, look at this cheese, man. My favorite kind of mozzarella cheese. Look at this wonderful thing, creation. Look at that. Focus, you turd, focus. That's okay. But yeah, I'm probably gonna make some sandwiches right now and eat all three of these too. Because I'm depressed and I'm bored. And I'm chill. And I'm just here right now. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And then I'll show you when it's all done, right? So now we got all three burritos inside of the oven. The sandwiches are now ready. And we have just opened up this cheese. So here's some of the food that I'm about to eat because I'm probably gonna make some more sandwiches. So I have two sandwiches here, one with ranch, one with mustard, 3 burritos, now broken in half, and a huge thing of cheese. So let's dig in, man. Should I record myself like old times eating all this or not? Yes? Alright. If you want to fast forward through the video, you can. Alright, so we're going to turn the camera around and I'm going to eat it up. Alright, so we got all this yummy food right here. We're going to eat it all up like old times. It's so good. Mmm. 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 And you, those of whom who have seen my old videos, know how much I can eat. So this is nice bread from Randall. Mm. Didn't your mother ever tell you not to play with your food? one's cold. This one's kind of cold. You want back in the oven. Those other two burritos are in the oven. Oh crap. Sound like you're burning. Alright, let me get the burritos out the oven before they burn. Alright, so I got them out of the oven. They're a lot warmer. Got my trusty water can thing. Okay, let's chow down some more. I was gonna make some more sandwiches, but I think I'm already good. Some pretty good bread right here. I will eat another packet of this though. Almost done with the cheese. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Peace. Brush your teeth, kids, every night before you sleep. And this ointment right here will help you go to sleep better. So we're gonna just put a little bit of that right here. You know, we can smell that one while we sleep.